Now, in a major announcement following the NEET UG 2026 paper leak controversy, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan on Friday said that a NEET UG will be conducted in a computer-based format from next year onwards to strengthen security and prevent examination malpractices. Addressing his first press conference since the cancellation of the NEET UG 2026 examination, Pradhan said that the centre has adopted a zero-tolerance policy against paper leaks and exam-related fraud. The Union Minister has announced that the cancelled NEET UG 2026 examination will now be reconducted on 21st June. The National Testing Agency had earlier cancelled the 3rd May examination after allegations surfaced that parts of the question paper had been leaked way before the examination itself. Authorities later confirmed that a so-called guess paper circulating on 7th May reportedly contained actual questions from the test. Now, Pradhan admitted that there had been a breach somewhere in the examination chain despite implementing recommendations of the Radhakrishna Committee. He said the government had no option but to cancel the examination in order to maintain fairness and credibility in the examination process. Now, stressing that the centre would not compromise on integrity, the Education Minister said no deserving candidate should suffer because of the education mafia. Pradhan also said the alleged paper leak case has now been handed over to the Central Bureau of Investigation, which is probing how the breach essentially took place despite strengthened safeguards. Reiterating the government's stand, the minister said authorities are engaged in a long fight against exam mafias and assured students that strict measures are being put in place to ensure that there are no malpractices during the reconducted examination. He added that the government's priority is to protect honest aspirants and ensure that no undeserving candidate gets admission through unfair means. The investigation into the alleged NEET UG 2026 paper leak case has intensified, with the Central Bureau of Investigation arresting 2 more accused and carrying out searches at least 14 locations across the country in the last 24 hours. Earlier, remember, 5 accused were arrested in connection with the case, 3 from Jaipur and 1 from Gurugram, while another one from Nashik.
सरकार ने तुरंत सीबीआई को काम सौंपी है। सीबीआई ने त्वरित कार्रवाई शुरू किया है। इस बार सीबीआई तह तक जाएगी, कहां वो कमांड चेन पे ब्रीच हुई है। राधाकृष्ण कमेटी को पूरा पालन करने के उपरांत भी कहां वो ब्रीच हुई है, उस ब्रीच को मेरा पूरा विश्वास है सीबीआई के ऊपर, और जो संबंधित एजेंसी उनके साथ काम करे, सरकार की पूरी माइटी, सरकार की पूरा नेतृत्व, सभी विभाग उसमें से गंभीरता चीज को लेते हुए शीर्ष तो नेतृत्व उसके लिए खूब दायित्व लिया है, चिंता कर रहा है। हम इस बार माल प्रैक्टिस होने नहीं देंगे। सरकार आप ही के साथ है, आप ही के हितों में मेरिटियस स्टूडेंट्स की, मेधावी छात्रों के पक्ष में निर्णय लिया गया है। मैं फिर कहूं, हम नहीं चाहते थे कोई माफिया की षड्यंत्र से कोई मनी बैग आपकी सीट को छीन ले, हम नहीं होना देना चाहते थे। इसीलिए हमने कठोर, हमको बहुत एक अभिभावक के नाते, एक दायित्व में रहने वाले अधिकारियों के नाते और मैं मंत्री के नाते, हम सब उसमें से बहुत, जो घटना हो रही उसमें से बहुत दुखी और चिंतित है। लेकिन हमें बड़े लक्ष्य को लेकर, देश के हितों में हमें कठोर निर्णय लेना पड़ा है।